the heart of the deep forests of Sweden, where innovation meets tradition, you'll find our factory. This is where Zipwake is made. Designed, assembled, and rigorously tested right here in Sweden. This is more than manufacturing. It's a commitment to uncompromising precision. With over 60,000 systems delivered worldwide, each one is verified and perfected to ensure flawless performance when it matters most. This is where cutting-edge technology meets skilled craftsmanship, where every product is built to take on the world. We are Zipwake, a global force with local roots, driven by innovation, defined by precision.